back to the class. I am your GK teacher and my name is Mrs. Jyoti. So we have completed lesson 1, 2 and 3 in the textbook. Now we are in lesson 4. So hope you all are doing the textbook well and maintaining the classworks also. And during the classwork correction I have seen few have written the GK in the homework book. See that you have to write it in a double ruled book. You have to write in double ruled book, and for all the terms you have to use the only one GK book. You have to use only one GK book, and see that you maintain your handwriting. If at all you don't get the notes, you can write at least 5 or 10 new words, and you can write the questions which are there in the textbook. Okay, any 2 questions you can take and you can write, but don't leave any lesson. You have to fill at least 5 to 10 new words and any 2 questions which you can write by your own. If at all you did not get the notes. Okay, so we are in lesson 4, that is on the top. So keep your textbooks ready and your pencil ready. Open page number 466. So what is this lesson about? So in this lesson we are going to learn about the people in a particular field who are on the topmost position. Like in a class there will be a person who is always on the top, like the first ranker or the second ranker, like first in class, second in class will be there, no? Same like that. And in the subjects, if you take for a particular person, maths is the favorite subject which will always be on the top. After going home, immediately he opens the bag and takes the maths classwork only to do the homework. For few people there will be science, and for few there will be languages, and for few it will be like English, and few they don't want to do anything and simply they draw and color and they go for games. So in the same way, in all the other fields also there is the first person who has took the leading. They have taken the leading. So today in this lesson we are going to learn about that particular people who are on the topmost position, who are the famous first people to do that. Okay, so lesson number 4 on the top. And if you see here, there is a warm up for you. So see that who was the first Indian woman to travel into the space. So traveling into space is not an easy thing. You have to go for months and months. So who is the first woman who went into the space? She is Kalpana Chawla. So the warm up answer is Kalpana Chawla. So write down it in your book. Then moving on to the next one. So which American lady was the first woman to fly alone over the Atlantic Ocean? So here Atlantic Ocean is the largest sea route where it takes so much of time to travel. So here is a woman who traveled alone without any co-pilot. She traveled alone without anybody. So she is the one, that is Amelia Mary Earhart. Amelia Mary Earhart. Amelia Mary Earhart. So see that the starting letters of 3 words should start with capital letter. Don't write as if you want. Always a lesson or a sentence, it should start with the capital letter. And most of the people have not written the dates. Please mention the date, on whichever date the video is coming to you, that date you have to mention. Okay? Then second one, on 29th May 1953, who reached the summit of the Mount Everest along with the Tenzing Norgay. Summit is nothing but the topmost part. So who have reached the top of the Mount Everest along with Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay is the first person to reach the Mount Everest. So along with him, another person also went, and he is Edmund Hillary. He is Edmund Hillary. repeating the spellings. EDMUND, Edmund. Hillary, HILLARY. And the first one is Amelia, AMELIA, Amelia. Mary, MARY, Mary. Earhart, EARHART. So these are the spellings. Then third one, who was the first woman to travel into space? Who was the first woman to travel into space? So in the warm up we have written the first Indian woman. But overall, that is throughout the world, who is the first woman to travel into space? She was Valentina Tereshkova. So she is Valentina Tereshkova. VALENTINA, Valentina Tereshkova. TERESHKOVA, VALENTINA, Valentina Tereshkova. TERESHKOVA. So hope you all have written it. I'm Ravi. Then fourth one. Who made the first non-stop solo flight across the Atlantic Ocean from New York City to Paris on 2021 May 1927? So who had made the first non-stop journey? So in that year, like 1927 and all, it was very difficult for them to travel without stopping in the middle. So there is one person who had traveled without stopping in the middle. Like whenever we are taking a long journey, we stop at 2-3 places to take a rest, isn't it? But here is a person who traveled without stopping in the middle, and he is Charles Augustus Lindbergh. Charles Augustus Lindbergh. CHARLES. CHARLES. Charles Augustus. 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 Augustus Lindbergh. LINDBERGH. August Lindbergh. Then fifth one. Who became the first man to travel into space and when? So who is the first person among everybody to travel into space in the rocket, and in which year did he travel? So he is Yuri Gagarin. The fifth one, YURI. Yuri, YURI. Yuri Gagarin. 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 And he traveled in 1961. So in 1961, the first person entered into space, and he is Yuri Gagarin. He is Yuri Gagarin. Then the sixth one, last one. Who was the first person to climb all 14 of the world's mountains that exceed an elevation of 26,250 feet? So throughout the world, there are so many mountainous peaks which are very high. So most of the mountains, the height of the mountain is 26,250 feet. So there is one person who has climbed all the 14 mountains, who crossed 26,250 feet. So one person has crossed, he has climbed all the 14 mountains, which length is more than 26,250 feet. And he is Reinhold Messner. He is Reinhold Messner. REINHOLD. Reinhold Messner. MESSNER. So this is about lesson number 4. So hope you all have written. Now your homework will be, you have to write 1 to 6 one time in your homework book. So So here in the textbook you have the numbers, right? So all these along with the question, you should write the question as well as the answer. Right? Lesson 4, 1 to 6, one time in homework book. So this is your homework. So complete your notes up to the mark. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.